Yo traders, what is good? So if you're new, then welcome to the channel, but if you subbed up, welcome back. So just gonna get straight into this one. I'm working off my laptop, so my bad. Yeah, I've been gone 2 weeks, I know, I'm sorry, but yeah, I'm back. So live streams today was popping. London session was sick, pre-London session was sick, so I'm just gonna break down the trades and show you where I was at with it, why I got into it, what my mindset was. So this bar replay mode, let's go old school. I ain't done this in a while, so take you back. Cool. So this is gold, and this was 655. So I usually get on the charts, well, not usually, I am on the charts for 645, ready for that 7 o'clock volume, right? The pre-London volume, they say. It's good to trade, you know what I mean? We can trade it as long as prices move in. So pre-London, I'm on the charts, I'm looking for that volume. I noticed that we're respecting the EMA, respecting the 50 EMA, price is looking good. It's not looking too bad. We had this little bit of consolidation down there before, but you got to remember we're on a 1 minute time frame. So when price decides to pop off, it's going to pop off. I use a 4 pip or 4 point stop loss, right? I just make sure it says 4 or 3 sometimes if I'm really aggressive, but 4 is usually my sweet spot. And I'm looking for a 1-to-1 or a 1-to-2, right? Now this is where the indicator comes in. The CAFX Liquidity Pro. So this usually works like a charm. But yeah, I usually got it set up like this. So 1 hour and 4 hour. So I'm looking for the 1 hour liquidity. I'm looking for the 4 hour liquidity. And that's where I'm looking for my 1 minute price action to go and hit, right? So anyway, long story short, boom, I get in, it smashes, we're out. First successful trade, easy as fuck. The only confirmations I really needed was some direction, check, we're making bullish structure, because as soon as price was down there, I could see, okay, if I was to come to the charts when price was down there, and it looked like this, I would have wanted to see some direction, right? Either continuation down or a break to the upside. I don't really ever change time frames and look at the bigger picture because I don't really need to. I'm just trying to get them snappy little sharp moves. So anyway, price starts making this bullish structure. Then I can see, okay, we're kind of making this wedge kind of thing. Price, I said earlier on as well, I said, look, price is either going to consolidate and compress inside this little wedge and break down or up. All right, and it broke up, so we got in. Boom, nice bit of volume, we're in. We don't even wait for the candle to close. As soon as it starts breaking, we're in. My motto is get in early so you can get out early, right? And it's been working for me. So yeah, get in early so you can get out early. We manage the trades. We don't try and avoid losses. We just manage our trades. So that's the first trade from today. Pre-London session successful. Let's go and take a look at NASDAQ. So right, once again, I got my drawings there, but let me run you through what I was seeing. So firstly, this is our actual London session now coming up. So this is coming up to London Open, 8 o'clock in the morning, right? So I'm saying, what are we doing? Well, we're clearly making this beautiful bullish structure. Now, what happens when you make bullish or bearish structure, any structure? When price is being pushed from an area, it's leaving liquidity, right? So every single time you get a push from an area, there's going to be a level of liquidity where people's stop losses are or people's orders are to get in, you know what I mean, kind of thing. So it's just a lot of orders being placed there and stop losses. So see it as fuel. My bad, I just deleted the EMA. See it as fuel, right? And price needs to collect fuel. It can't just keep going. It does sometimes, but then it always eventually comes and collects that fuel. So boom, I'm expecting a breakdown to take some liquidity from all these pushes up. All right, and if it does that, then I'm going to get in for a sell. Or I'm just going to get in on a continuation. It doesn't matter. But regardless, I'm looking for this to happen around 8 o'clock in the morning London time. So around 8 o'clock in the morning London time, we get this big push. Cool. No, it's not 8 o'clock yet. I'm still expecting that liquidity sweep. So boom. There we go. I enter. I use a 10 pip stop loss. I'm going for 10 pips, 1-to-1, maybe 20, or 1-to-2. But I understand at this point, this is just a grab of liquidity probably, and we're going to continue up. So I don't want to go against the whole trend, all right? I don't just look at it and go, oh, I want to go against this now. I'm trying to anticipate the whole reversal. I don't do that. I kind of just trade what's happening, not what I think's going to happen. But if I think that we're going to sweep liquidity or grab liquidity, and then continue up, why am I going to wait for the liquidity sweep to happen? Right? Because it might not be a liquidity sweep. It might be a full-on reversal, and I might be able to catch it early. Do you know what I mean? So try and catch it early. So I get in early to get out early. That's that motto. And yeah, caught myself a 1-to-1. Understanding though, okay, it might want to go up still because we're overall bullish. I don't want to go against the trend, but I'm just trying to catch myself some pips or maybe a reversal. But if it does break back to the upside, then I'm going to get into the upside. So as soon as I start seeing this, all right, I got an opportunity. Anytime I see something like this, I got an opportunity to put a breakout line and put in it there. Now, as soon as price broke, I'm in. No doubt about it, I'm in. As soon as it starts breaking, I'm in. I'm not even waiting for it to close. I'm just getting in. Boom. Little pullback and then TP smashed. So that was the story of pre-London and London session. And now, let me just run you back to today's New York session. Okay, so the drawings are still there. And I'm just doing it like this because I want to recap the trades, that's all. So let's just go back to there. And let's take it to a time where I would have drawn these up. And these actual drawings would have mattered, right? So turn the liquidity indicator off and the EMA for a sec. And just look at price for what it's doing. So I'm going to sneeze. I feel ill. All right, cool. So I like to put my breakout lines, all right, like this. Either like simple as it comes, like this. So, you know, just before that New York 9:30 Eastern Open, I'm looking for a break of, you know, a high or a low. Well, that's broke before the 9:30, so we call it a pre-break. We move the line down. Now, earlier, I didn't actually put my line like this. I did it like this because it was more of like a wedge happening. So I just got fancy with it. It was like, cool. Though, moral of the story is, on that New York Open, the 9:30 Eastern Open, when the volume pops off, I'm looking for some sort of break of a high structure or a low structure. 20 pip stop loss is my thing. I'm aggressive. Sometimes I'll use more if the volume's really, really huge. And I'll go in with less contracts or units. But that's not for today's lesson. So anyway, 20 pips. If price is looking decent, I'm like, okay, that's enough breathing room. On the break, I'm entering. And after the candle breaks, I'm entering on the break. So as soon as it breaks, I'm entering. Boom. That's what happened today. Now, let me be real with you. As soon as I get to a 1-to-1, I close one of my positions because I double tap. So I close one of my positions and I secure some sort of money and then I leave a runner. Now, I should have left the runner today because it would have hit a lot more than a 1-to-2. So look at this. You know, it was like a 1-to-10 today. Oh, I can't bar replay it anymore because I can't fast forward it anymore because that's what price is. Oh, wait. No, it's not. Trading View's just bugging on me, apparently. Sorry. So I'm back. Right. Yeah. It basically hit like a 1-to-10. All right. Literally. You can call that a 1-to-10, but it is certainly a 1-to-9. Now, if I did leave a runner and just drag my stop loss behind these candles, I could have secured a lot, but I didn't. I've been away for a while. It's my first day back. I thought, let's just crush it. Let's take the money and let's be happy with what the markets give me. And I'm happy with what the markets give me. So the premium Discord is still available. I will only be trading live on the premium Discord for a while. So, you know, until I get shit sorted again and I can operate multiple machines and do free streaming and shit, I'm only going to be on the premium Discord. So if you want to go over there and secure your spot, I will be trading every single day. Pre-London session, London session, and New York session, all on Discord. And yeah, this is the kind of shit that you can expect when you're trading with me. Like every day, literally, there's rarely a day that I don't win. And if I do lose, I'm winning another trade that day, okay? We're winning. Literally, the premium Discord is winning. But hit me up. I can send you a Stripe link direct. And I can get you in the group, okay? Because WAP is taking a piss with their taxes and, you know, they're really hitting people hard with these taxes. Sometimes people are telling me it's $300 to join my Discord. And I'm like, what the fuck? I've set it to 150. So they want 150 tax. What? That's like 100% tax. So no, DM me and I'll send you the Stripe link and I got you, all right? But until the next one, hopefully you took some gems from this video and I'll see you in the next one.